There's a tremendous amount of power in an ocean wave. Wave power has the potential to reduce worldwide emissions and solve one of the largest climate challenges. So far, most devices have been too large and costly compared to their energy output. CorPower Ocean now brings a new technology to market.
We have been working on this technology now since 2012, taking a very careful, stepwise approach to verify every aspect of the system before bringing it into the harsh ocean environment. We're now looking forward to completing the dry test program in Stockholm and qualifying the device for the Orkney waters.
I would say that we are lucky because we don't have any showstopper. At Orkney, we will deploy again the test rig. We want to be in the water with the heavy waves.
I work as a software engineer and I'm responsible for the control and communications system in the wave energy converter. I'm very confident in our system design and that our system is going to deliver. We've put a big amount of effort into making sure that we have a very robust communication solution.
Are you optimistic?
I'm optimistic.
I work as a project manager and also as a team leader for the software and electrical team. There is challenges every day, of course, but I would say that the main one and the really high level one would be for the company to be able to develop this wave energy converter in a way that it can survive the toughest storm, but at the same time be efficient enough so we can actually produce electricity at competitive costs with other renewable energy sources. It's meant to work, I think. With such a team and such a system and such a technology, I think it has this good chance to work.
When I look into a technology, I try to see, okay, is there anything in this technology that has a significant contribution to the success? And CorPower has at least one of these breakthroughs that indeed is able to do a significant difference. This is enough to multiply the energy production by a factor of 4. So this is a breakthrough. It has also a very interesting approach in designing a system which is light. So I'm not saying that, well, this is the winner technology. It is impossible to say. What I'm saying is it is clear a technology that is worth to invest.
This is a high-efficiency wave energy converter floating on the surface with a pre-tensioned mooring system attaching it to the seabed. A buoy with 9-meter diameter can generate 300 kilowatts of electricity. The wave spring phase control technology makes the buoy oscillate in resonance with each incoming wave. This strongly amplifies the motion and thereby the power capture. This amplified linear motion is then converted into rotation using a cascade gearbox, driving 2 generators inside each buoy. These small, lightweight buoys have a low capex per megawatt, and the compact format allows for an effective operations and maintenance using low-cost vessels. Altogether, it enables a cost of energy that can compete with wind and solar as the volumes increase.
The benefit that CorPower has now is that they can take all of the lessons learned and apply them to the deployment of their work up in Orkney this year.
CorPower are in a great place. They think the right way, they are working the right way, they are rigorous engineers, they leave no stone unturned. And so there's a very good fit with the mentality of ourselves in Quoceant. But as yet, they've not taken large machines to sea, and this is where we can bring our experience of that to them. So they don't have to relearn all of the slow, expensive, hard lessons that we went through in Palamas.
I'm pleased to say that CorPower are one of the top 3 technologies that we've eyeballed or looked at that we think are going to be the closest to commercialization. And when I say commercialization, it's not just technically. It's also that they're bankable, that their company structure is right, their financing is right, their due diligence from the beginning of their concept and their design is going to make their product, we hope, bankable.
Wave energy is an important enabler for decarbonizing our society. It is the most concentrated form of renewable energy, which allows for more energy to be extracted in a smaller footprint. And then there is a difference in timing compared to both wind and solar. which provides an important aspect of balancing the grids as we move to 100% renewables.